Meath to attract school leavers and in particular women into apprenticeships. Figures show that while apprenticeships are growing in popularity, there's still a gender gap in the sector.
27-year-old Ursula Sheridan from Ballyborough in County Cavan is 4 months into her apprenticeship, having left a solicitor's office to start a new career.
Well, I have a law degree. I enjoy watching television programmes, repairing cars, and I always wondered what it'd be like to work in that industry and being able to paint a car myself. So I just decided then to bite the bullet.
The number of school leavers choosing apprenticeships has doubled in recent years, with many employers eager to train young people.
Don't be afraid to give it a go. Call into your local body shop. We're all nice people. We all want to see young people come into the industry.
At an expo in Trim today, school leavers got to see the types of apprenticeships now on offer.
I'd like to either be a carpenter or an aircraft mechanic.
Mechanical engineering or electrician apprenticeships.
Figures from the state agency Solus, which has responsibility for apprenticeships, show that at the moment there is just over 17,000 male apprentices in Ireland. That compares to just over 680 female apprentices.
Those who pursue apprenticeships, they're earning and learning, but they're ready for the workforce immediately. They hit the ground running. They have all the much sought after skills.
Back at the repair shop, Ursula Sheridan is hoping her story will encourage other women to consider an apprenticeship.
Don't be nervous. Yes, it's a very male-dominated industry, but women are just as capable of doing apprenticeships as men, and that they should definitely consider doing one if that's what they really want to do.
Sinead Huzzy, RTE News, Trim, County Meath.